Hi, welcome to my study notebook. So today we are going to solve one inequality problem. Given 4x plus 5, the absolute value of 4x plus 5 is greater than or equal twice x plus 11, then which of these following options are true? So the most important thing about solving an inequality problem is that when there is an absolute value, we must remember that the value, actual value of of the term of an absolute value could be either positive or negative. Okay, so let's see. If we take the positive value first, then what happens? So 4x plus 5 is equals greater than or equal twice x plus 11. So 4x minus twice x will be greater than or equal 11 minus 5. From here we can see that twice x greater than or equal 6. Okay, so then x is greater than equal 3. So we can see that option A is true, but wait, we must check what could be the possible value if we take the negative value of this term 4x, absolute value of 4x plus 5. So if we take the negative value, then it becomes 4 minus of 4x plus 5 greater than or equal twice x plus 11, right? Then it should become okay, let me remove this. The first thing, another very important thing about solving an inequality problem is that if we multiply the both side of an inequality with a negative minus 1, then the sign of the inequality changes or reverses. So here we want to multiply both sides with minus 1, then it becomes 4x plus 5. So here it was greater than or equal, it will become less than or equal, so it will be minus twice x minus 11. So now it becomes 4x plus twice x less than or equal minus 11 minus 5. So from here we can see that 6x is less than or equal minus 16, or from here we can write 6 is less than or equal minus 16 divided by 6. So we can write it here something like 8. If we divided both the numerator and the denominator by 2, then it becomes 8 by 3. So from the first part we can see that if we take the positive value of this absolute value, then we get x is greater than or equal 3. Then again it will be tempting to just choose the option A and go for the next question, but you must remember that the absolute value, if there is an absolute value, you must check both the conditions, either take it as a positive or take it as a negative number. So again, if we take the negative one, then we become on this conclusion that x is less than or equal minus 8 by 3. So looking at the options, we can find that the option C, it says both of these conditions, that is, one is x greater than or equal 3 and another one is x less than or equal minus 8 by 3. So our answer is C.